this video I'm going to be teaching you how to create additional products for your photo. So here we go. So once I clicked on my photo here, on the right hand side there is a select a product section. Now in the last video I made, I just did one gift, and I just want to show you the other products that you can make as well with your photos. So I'm going to click on frame prints. I'm going to click on this one. I see it, and I can choose the size of this. I'm going to choose one that I like. I'm going to probably go with this glass desktop frame. I think that looks fine with me. Okay, so this is the minimum price right here, and I'm just going to add my own price right here. Okay, so once it's done, I'm just going to press add product. So once you added the product, it's going to say successful right here, and you just want to close out of it. And then you can go back as well and create another product. So I'm just going to select the one again. Let's go to something different. So I'm going to go to Photographic Prints, and I'm just going to choose the one I like right here. So let's see. Let's go with 7x7 square. Alright, I'm going to choose this one, and then this is the minimum price again, and just choose the price I want. Okay, so this is the price I put. I'm just going to put add product. Okay, for the next one, let's go to the new one here. So let's go to wall display. I'm just going to choose the one I want. I think this one actually looks good. So same thing, minimum price, put my price right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put add a product. Alright, let's go to the next one. Let's go to wall display shadow box. Alright, so let's make a selection right here. I'm going to just choose one. I'm going to go with 12x12. Alright, let's go with that one. This is the minimum price. Put your price. After that, you want to put add a product. Okay, let's go to the last one. So let's select a product, and let's go to digital. And then this is a digital download one, and there's only one selection right here. This is the minimum price, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put one. Alright, once I put one, I'm going to put add product. And as you can see, it says created digital download. So on the bottom, you see the photos that are available for sale. These are the products that I've chosen. You can definitely choose more products if you like.